My prompts always look similar. They begin with a list of sources that you're meant to use, and then you'll see an overview paragraph with a bolded sentence or two that you should zero in on because they will lead you to your thesis statement. See here, it says make an argument about how the culture of independence or interdependence from which you come sets you up for success in college or conversely holds you back. That's what your thesis statement should answer. The sentence down here is also really important. Your essay should include personal evidence as well as evidence drawn from your sources. So that tells you that you will both be using your sources and telling stories based on experience. You'll always have a thesis template that you can use if you get stuck. You can sort of fill in the blanks to build your thesis. The due dates are there. The requirements are at the bottom. So this essay has a tutoring requirement, which I'll go into depth on later. And it also needs to be formatted as per MLA guidelines, which I'll cover in detail in this module.